aerospace and defense manufacturing is highly complex and mission-critical. HCLTech's iPEO delivers a streamlined process and the enhanced intelligence needed to meet the industry's highest standards. iPEO empowers manufacturers with tools for super quality notification, first article inspection, bill of material reconciliation, time-sensitive material tracking, and manufacturing queue. With iPEO, first article inspections are pre-planned, embedded in shop floor orders, and documented with digital AS9102 forms for seamless traceability. To ensure build accuracy, iPEO compares engineering, manufacturing, and as-built bills of material, flagging discrepancies across disparate systems. Time-sensitive materials like carbon composites must be tracked outside controlled environments. iPEO automates this with real-time out-time tracking. iPEO's manufacturing queue alerts technicians of upcoming expirations, engineering changes, and quality issues, so nothing slips through the cracks. When change incorporation occurs mid-production, iPEO's super quality notification bridges the gap. It automatically inserts the required updates to work orders. Enhance your aerospace and defense manufacturing capabilities with HCLTech iPEO today.